Welcome back to another episode of Bluff City Grub. Under seasoned, bland chicken. Who wants that?
I don't.
Today we're going to be cooking Memphis Style wings.
I'm Joe.
I'm Greg.
Stay tuned because we're going to be giving you our tips and techniques for making the perfect wing on a gas grill.
If you learned something today, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
You can find our recipes and instructions below. For years I've cooked wings and I've had problems with chewy skin, burnt skin,
Overcooked wings, burnt wings.
not as good as they should be, and they weren't necessarily the best wings.
I mean, your chicken's skin's pulling off on the grill. They're getting overcooked on the outside, undercooked on the inside. I mean, it drives you insane.
I used to shy away from wings on a gas grill because I couldn't cook them on a gas grill. Start shaking your head at me.
All right, so the first tip is to make your wings really crispy, which a lot of people like on the grill. You got to make sure you pat them dry. You got to make sure all the moisture is off of the top and the bottom of the wings. So you want to line some paper towels on plates and make sure the wings are completely dry before you season and put them on the grill. So now we're gonna get these wings seasoned up. We got a homemade rub here, which we're gonna have in the description below. These wings are gonna come out really good, but you wanna make sure they're seasoned everywhere, on top, on the bottom, all around the wing. All right, so we got these wings seasoned here. We got one more left. Backside of here, we got this Memphis Style dry rub on here. One of the mistakes that people make also when it comes down to the wings is they don't let them come up to room temperature. You gotta let these wings sit out for a little bit and get warm. You don't want to throw them all ice cold. All right, so one of the mistakes, like I said, people make when cooking chicken on the grill is they don't make sure the grates are clean and they're oiled. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of olive oil, we're going to put it in a bowl, and we're going to get a paper towel here. And what we're going to do is oil our grates. All right, so we're going to get these wings on the grill here. Now, most people, when they put their wings on, they try to put them here. That's a mistake. We got this thing set up for indirect cooking. All the burners are gone, but we're going to put them up top. We don't want these things roast off up here. We're going to treat the grill like an oven. All right, so we're going to be cooking our wings at 400 degrees on the top rack. Go ahead and check them. You want to flip them probably about every 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to take a little bit to cook up here. All right, so we're going to flip our wings again. We're still cooking at 400 degrees. Starting to get a little crispy, crisped up. Oh yeah. Look at there. You want to make sure we get layers of flavor on these wings. So you want to season them as they cook on the grill.
It's starting to look good, Craig.
All right, we're about 40 minutes in right now, and as you can see, these wings are starting to get a nice little crisp and char to them. We've been flipping every 10 minutes or so. Skin's looking good, it's getting crisp. Seasoning's getting seared on there. All right, so we're gonna get our wings off now. They're looking good. They're nice and crisp and done. Look at these guys. Oh man, these things look delicious. Now, one of the things to make sure your skin is nice and crisp, you don't want to sauce the wings on the grill. You want to make sure they come off. Go ahead and throw them in your bowl, and you want to toss them right before you serve them. That's one of the keys to make sure these wings are nice and crisp. Man, they're looking good. All right, so here's the best tip that I'm gonna give you today to make sure these wings come out fantastic. This is Memphis style wings right here. They're nice and crispy, done on the grill, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna season them again. Now, most people have unseasoned wings. I mean, they just don't have a lot of flavor. You wanna make sure you do layers of flavor. So we season them in the beginning, season while they're cooking, and then we're also seasoning them after they're done cooking. And these things are gonna be absolutely fantastic. Nice little toss there. Make sure you sauce them right before you serve them. That's how you get the best crunch in those wings. Season one more time. That's it. Layers of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, Greg.